Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
What's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install an SSD to your laptop which already has a hard drive. So first of all, you're going to need your actual laptop, your SSD. I have the Adata SU650. If you want to see its unboxing video, I'll put a link above. Also, you're going to need a second hard disk drive caddy for it. You're going to need a screwdriver to open your laptop. You're going to need a USB which already has a bootable Windows in it. So first of all, let's just open our laptop. So mine is a Dell Inspiron 5570. So the way it works that I have to flip my laptop backward, and here I have a number of screws. First of all, on any laptop you need to remove the DVD-ROM. So here is the screw of the DVD-ROM, so I'm going to remove it first. And also keep track of where you are removing your DVD screws, because these screws come in different sizes, so be sure to check its size. Now you can just simply pull this DVD-ROM out, and it's out. So I'm going to put in the side because I'm not going to insert my SSD on the DVD-ROM because it is a SATA 1 port, and if you don't know, SATA 1 only supports 150 MB of speed, meaning that your SSD will not work on its maximum performance. This is a SATA 3 SSD and it can support up to 600 MB of speed. So my internal hard drive is connected to the SATA 3 port, so that's why I'm going to connect this to the internal port and the internal one to the DVD caddy. So let me just open my Dell Inspiron 5570. I'm going to put this at a side. So there are about 12 screws. So I'm going to open them one by one. All the screws, so now I'm going to pop it up. So you can use any of your cards to help open the locks. You have to be careful. So here is the internal structure of the laptop. Here is the hard disk connected to the SATA port 3. So I'm going to connect my SSD to the hard disk. So let me just move it. Here are the 4 screws holding it. So here is the hard drive. Let me just put in the SSD. Here is the SSD. So the hard drive will be removed and the SSD will be placed in the same orientation like this. So the hard drive is mounted with these 4 screws. I have to open and place them again. So here is the hard drive. I'm going to gently place it on the side and place my SSD. So here is the SSD, so I'm going to swap it again according to the right direction. very gently. So it has clipped in. I'm going to rotate it back and I'm going to secure it on its mount. I'm just going to screw it again. So here I have mounted my SSD, so now I'm just going to close the lid and we're done from this side. You have this side as well, so be sure to secure all the sides. So once you have closed your lid properly, you can now just simply mount your screws again, which is going to be fast because we didn't change the orientation of our screws. So I have mounted all the screws. Now I'm going to install my internal hard drive using this caddy. So here is the caddy along with its 4 screws and a screwdriver. So before I install, I'm going to install the hard drive first. So here is my hard drive. I'm going to align it in this way and I'm going to gently press it inside. So it's firmly inside, so I'm now just going to mount the screws. So we're going to just install the hook that is present on our DVD. So we're going to remove it and we're going to place it in the same manner like this. So I installed the hook. Now I'm going to remove the cover and I'm going to place it, and then we're going to install the OS. So now I am going to do a startup speed test. Now I have installed the Adata SU650 SSD. So now let's see how much time does it take to start up the laptop completely. I have installed all the Windows and the program that I have installed on the previous Windows when I had the hard drive. So let's start the test. Here I have my timer in 3, 2, 1. So it took about 29.8, and you can say about 30 seconds to completely start the PC, whereas when I had the HDD or the hard disk drive, it took about 2 minutes to start the laptop. So there is a huge difference. I mean, there is about a 1.3 minute difference when you have the SSD installed and not. So guys, this is how you can properly disassemble your Dell Inspiron 5570 and install a SSD with an hard disk drive as well. So if you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so, and thank you for watching this video.